Hi, this is Kevin. Welcome back to the Handheld Computer Museum, and today we are going to take a look at doing a little bit of cleanup on this fantastic Sharp EL-122. Now, there's not a whole heck of a lot wrong with it, I would say. Maybe a little bit of just super slight gunk around the buttons. Really not much else on the front side, which is nice. There's a little smooge kind of over here. Yeah, I mean, superficially, it's pretty good. Look at this sticker. I love the sticker on this AC adapter. It's just quality. Hilarious. There's corrosion on the battery contacts, so see if I can get that off. And although I can obviously plug it in, I'd love to see if I can get it working with batteries, which would be great. Cool, let's do this. I'm gonna work on the battery compartment first, just so I can make that progress. So it looks like these contacts are just fine. So I really think it's the springs that I need to clean up. So I'm gonna get in there with a couple little ear swabs and some alcohol, and then if I need to get in there with the toothbrush to kind of loosen that up, I might do that as well. But we'll start simple. By the time this video comes out, you'll probably already have seen the photos I took of this device over on Instagram or Twitter, or certainly on our website. So I'll try to do more of these videos where I'm actually gonna kind of clean and do some restoration of, some of the devices that I want to feature before I go ahead and take all the photos and things of them. Trying to get some of the loose stuff that's in the battery compartment itself out first. Now, the springs are going to be kind of a pain, so I think right away I'm going to have to get into using the toothbrush to really get in there and scrub, because it's pretty tough to get, if not impossible, to get this where I want it to clean it off. Look at all that already. Oh, that's great. The back side of that spring back there, it's really tough to get in there. So I might have to squeeze down one of the Q-tips to see kind of if I can get it in there. Almost need a toothpick actually, just to kind of get in there and do a little scrapey scrape. Not too bad. All right, I'm gonna see if I can pull this out. I just want to be super gentle. Yeah, that's way easier. Oh, so close. So close. Oh, I think I got it. I think I got it. Right, let's put that back in. Should probably get some plastic tweezers. That will help me not scratch these kind of devices up. Right. That needs to go in a little bit more. There we go. So like I said, there's not too much else I want to get cleaned in here. All right, fantastic. I think just trying to get this little bit of red off of there. Just super no big deal. Piece of cake. Yeah, and there's a little lip right here too that if I can kind of push this down a little bit, it might get in there and clean that. But I mean, this thing is just clean. Yeah, I don't really, there's almost nothing I need to do on this. I think I'll just hit it with a little kind of general purpose cleaner. Looks pretty good. I think we can stick a couple batteries in it. Moment of truth. Look at that. No problem. No problem at all. I love the overlight. So it's only got 6 digits, so watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5, 5. 6. It goes off on another screen. So it's got 12 digits effectively, but only 6 visible digits. So I think that's it for now. Head over to our Instagram, Twitter, handheld_museum, or you can always head over to handheldmuseum.org if you want to take a look at the photos we take of this beautiful thing. And I hope you can like this video because that super helps us out. Subscribe to the channel. That also is awesome. And we'll see you next time. Cheers.